do it? Well, I wanted to talk with you just a little bit about this. And of course, I brought my favorite things, these counters, to think about it. So is it okay if we use a number in the tricky teens to get started? Because for me, that's where things kind of get a little wild. Yeah. Is that all right if we do that?
Yeah.
Okay. So I was thinking maybe we should start with like 14. Does 14 sound okay?
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds like a good one to me. All right. I've got to know how you want to think 14. Okay. So first of all, do you want to think like a doubler or a make fiver or a make tenor? So here's how a doubler would see 14.
You're working on doubles.
Are you? Oh, that is outstanding. Okay, do you see the doubler? Ready? Everybody take your fingers. Ready? 2 and 2. We're making the 4. So you see that double like that? Okay. Some people say, no, I like to think about 4 like this. All in a row, almost making 5. Okay? All right. It gets to be either way. Raise your hand if you want to think like a make fiver. Raise your hand if you want to be a doubler. Oh, it's a double land around here. I love it. Okay. So, you're going to need to make a math movie in your head, like I'm going to make a math movie in my head, and we're going to move some of these things around. Okay? The first strategy I want to talk about is if we have a really big chunk, because that's what you guys said, this is the one that's really getting me, we're going to see if we can find a chunk and then maybe move some other things over. Let's be flexible in our thinking. Shall we try it and see what happens? Okay, ready? Okay, come on, big numbers. Ready? Oh, we have to take away 5. 5 is a pretty big number. Does anybody have an idea how they might think about a chunk and we could do this? Okay, I'm going to take a picture. 10 and 4. How could I deal with a chunk? Because, boy, counting back, that's going to take a while. Let's see. What could I do? Do you have an idea? Time. So Lawson's strategy is called get to 10, take from 10. So listen to what he did. He said, again, I'm going to take 5. Make sure I'm doing this right. He said, I'm going to take a chunk of 4 because 14, take away 4. That's an easy fact to solve, right? That gets us to 10. And then all I have to do is take 1 more, and that's 9. Whoa. How many of you, give him a little thumbs up if you think he's ready? Oh, I'll be ready for you in just a minute. You just give me a second because I'm ready. Okay. Oh, I like that. Do you like that? Do you think maybe your brain could try it that way sometime? I don't know. Lawson, thank you for sharing your thinking. Okay, so you did the counting up and said, hey, I know I have 9. Then I just have to do 1 here. And then did you count on the other 4? Yeah. Well, let's see if that would work. Is that what you were thinking? Oh, see, I'm so glad we could clear that up. Okay, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, and the gap between 9 and 14 is 5. Ooh, I like that idea. Okay, anybody have another idea? Let's see. Who else has it? What's your idea?
So what are you talking about again?
Well, we're subtracting. We have 14, and we're taking away 5.
So I was thinking maybe we could take these 5 away.
If I take these 5 away, because there's a 5 and 5 and 10, would everybody agree? Right? Well, now I got a little bit over here and a little bit over here. What am I going to do now? Great. What should I do? Oh, let's listen to what her brain says. I can tell this is going to be great. So what do you do now? You took the 5 away, which was super smart.
If we put in these 4 with that 5, then
oh, look at that. Hey, everybody, here's what I want you to do. I want you to take this strategy. Ready? And we're going to make a math movie in our head. So is everybody ready? First scene. Ready? 10 and 4. Everybody make it in your head. Okay, got it? Okay, now I want you to take the 5 away. Psst. Now, can you move those other ones over? What are you left with?
9.
That took a really hard problem and turned it into an easy fact to solve. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
This is fabulous. Oh, it's almost your turn. All right, let's try another one. Can we try another one? Okay, everybody get your math movie ready. Come on, everybody. Okay, 14. Okay, make it happen. Okay, 14. I don't know what we're going to roll. I hope it's a good number. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. 3. Came across a different strategy, didn't you? Oh my gosh, look at this. 4. There is a small fact right here looking for a place to happen. Did you guys know that? Look at that. If I have 4, can I take 3 away? Yeah, I don't even have to think about this 10 until the very end. What would the answer be if we took those 3 away?
11.
You know what? This kind of subtraction makes 4th graders cry, but you guys are handling it perfectly. If we can look, is there a small fact hiding in there? Sometimes there is, sometimes there isn't. If not, then we could do get to 10, take from 10, or we can sneak over at this 10 and say, hey, I can break you up and move stuff over.
That's what I was going to say.
Is that what you're going to do? This is excellent. Okay, so